Compass and Trail checking in on the 25th of June up on top of Constellation and Buckhorn near Aurora Hills. Trying to give you a 360 view. I'm looking back towards Constellation and the Hacienda Preserve. Come back. Just looking about towards Yarnell area, I guess. Congress. The name of that mine up there. Sayer? No. Anyway. It's beautiful up through there. Just came down through there a little bit. And I want to keep going. But anyway. Thought I'd give y'all a nice little view. Compass and Trail. Y'all have a good day. Out.